Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about the Reporting tab and how you can utilize it for your Google Ads account. First, you need to be inside the sub-account or location for which you want to generate the report. Next, you need to ensure that you're logged into the Google account or it's been integrated in order to have the information pulled for the report. To do the integration, go to Settings, look for Integrations and click on it. And in this example, you'll see the Sign In with Google button. Just click that button, sign into the Google account, and choose the Google Ads account that you want connected or synced with the system. Once you've verified the Google account is synced with the system, click on the Go Back button to get back to the sub-account dashboard. Then look for the Reporting tab and select it. The first report is Google Ads, so the system defaults to this report when you open the Reporting tab. You'll be able to see here the impressions, which is the number of times the ad was shown, how many clicks, and the conversions. You'll also be able to see how much you've spent for each ad, the average cost per click, cost per conversion, and conversion rate as well. So if you scroll further down, you'll be able to see the different types of campaigns that you have active and which ones are currently paused, the number of clicks, cost revenue, ROI, cost per click, and so on. This is information that you can also view on your Google Ads account, but because the Google account is synced, you can view it here instead without needing to go outside the Go High Level system. You can also choose a particular date range by clicking the date range in the upper right and selecting the dates in the calendar or using the shortcuts. There is also a Submit Feedback button, which will open a form to communicate your ideas to our development team. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.